Hi, I'm Allison from Red Heart, and if you're looking to welcome a new baby with cozy hand-crocheted and knit gifts, you'll be happy to see that Bunches of Hugs comes in a great big value-size ball. This soft acrylic baby yarn is a size 4 medium weight. The solid colors come in a generous 14 ounces with about 948 yards per ball, and the prints are 10-ounce balls with about 678 yards. The best news about this yarn is that it's been tested and certified free of harmful levels of over 300 substances. You will see it has the OEKO-TEX tested seal on the ball band, which you will soon be seeing on other textile products where high standards are important. Red Heart is proud to be the first in the U.S. yarn market to have attained this high level of quality assurance, so that you can be confident in what you put next to baby skin. It's nice that new parents have one less thing to worry about. You'll be happy to see that Bunches of Hugs comes in an array of on-trend shades, which is a superb choice for bigger projects like blankets and sweaters. The extra large ball means that you can keep knitting or crocheting without needing a new ball. And you will have fewer ends to weave in when you're done. Busy parents will love that Bunches of Hugs can be washed in warm water on a gentle cycle and tumbled dry on low. For more information, go to redheart.com.